Hello, it's me again. This video message is mostly for students, but families, you're welcome to listen too. You're just a few days away from graduating third grade and becoming a fourth grader. And I know that this year has been wild and crazy, and not just because of our school closure. We had some fantastic parties and celebrations. We've grown together, we cried together, we celebrated together, and ultimately, we grew together. Growing happens in the good and in the bad. And you're going to be growing to become fourth graders soon. And I'm so excited for you. It's going to be new, it's going to be challenging, but that's where most growing comes from. You don't run away from those challenges. You don't run away from things that make you kind of unsure whether you can do it or not. The secret is you run at them. You run at those obstacles. You run at those challenges. When you run at those challenges, it helps you grow. You learn so much about yourself. You learn new skills. You meet new people. You ask questions. And that is where true learning really happens. Another secret to growing is that you never stop. It's kind of like your hair. Even as an adult, we are still growing. We're still learning. We're still making mistakes. And so my big announcement is my next area to grow in. I am going to be taking on a new challenge, just like I told you to do. This challenge feels exciting to me. It feels invigorating. It feels big and intimidating. But I know in the deepest parts of my heart that I am not done growing and that I still have more to give and more to learn. So my new position is going to be at Fritz Elementary. I'm going to be the CV Virtual Academy director and instructor. And that means that I'm going to be working with families who are enrolled in the Conestoga Valley Virtual Academy. Now, right away, you might go, oh my gosh, Mrs. Krause, I'm never going to see you again. That's not true. That's fear talking. That's not truth talking. The truth is, I'm still in Conestoga Valley, and I'm still going to be able to see you and connect with you. You still have my email. I'll still be visiting Leola. I'm still around. It's just that I'm not shying away from growth. I'm not done growing. Just like you're going on to fourth grade, I've been in third grade for 12 years, and I'm ready for something new. I'm ready to grow and stretch myself, just like I tell you all the time to stretch your brain and stretch yourself and to try new things. Bottom line is, I'm trying to do exactly what you're trying to do, and I'm not giving up. So even though this wasn't the way that I really wanted to tell you, even though this wasn't the way that I thought it was going to go, I still know that there are goodness in it. I still know that this is a really fantastic opportunity for me. Just like I know fourth grade and fifth grade and sixth grade and all those other things that you're going to lean into, all those other tasks that you're going to try, all those other pieces of food and all those other risks that you're going to take are all going to build you up to be a better human. I'm not done growing. And this next step with the CV Virtual Academy is my way of showing you as well that you're never done growing. Even after 12 years, even after being an adult, we're not done growing. And I am running at this challenge with full force, just like I want you to run at the challenge of fourth grade with full force. Let's do it together and let's do it in style. I love you all so much. I can't wait to hear from you. Send me an email, shoot me a message, maybe make a video and send it back to me. I would love to see you and connect with you before we break for summer. I love you all.